Welcome back. Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has made it clear that it's mandatory for panchayats to provide 100 days employment to job card holders under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or else panchayat is bound to pay the job card holder for 100 days. Minister's statement followed MLA's demand to inquire into NREGA affairs in the state. The issue was raised by KP MLA Babu Kavlekar. MLAs claim that some sarpanch and secretaries have siphoned off the NREGA funds by producing fake signatures of job card holders.
माननीय मंत्र्याकडे इथले जाऊन घेवपा जाय जेन्ना काम जावप जायना तेन्ना ही 100 दिसाची जे सॅलरी दिवप आसता लोकांक तेन्ना ती अशी दिवप जाता कितें जर पंचायत काम दिवंक शकली ना जाल्यार सुद्धा 100 दिसाचो पेमेंट वर्सांतल्यान त्या लोकांक दिवपा जाय.
हे काम पंचायतीचें आसता आणि पंचायतीन ती दिवंक जाय. जर कोणाक 100 दीस काम दिवंक शकली ना जाल्यार पंचायतीची ती जबाबदारी उरता. पंचायतीन ताका 100 दिसाचें काम दिवचें आणि ते जर काम ताका दिलें ना 99 दीस जर दिले जाल्यार 1 दिसाचो ताका बसून पगार दिवंक जाय. अशीच स्कीम आसा. जेंका 100 दिसाचें काम पंचायत दिवंक शकली ना तांकां पंचायतीन तितले पैसे वयल्या दिसाचे दिवंक जाय.
जी ह्या स्किमीच्या अंतर्गत जी कामां जाल्या ती सारखी जाली काय ना की व्यवस्थित ती लोकांपर्यंत ही स्कीम पावली काय ना याची चौकशी करची पडटली.
बऱ्याच पंचायतीची प्रपोजल अजूनही पेंडिंग आसा आरडीएन तांच्यांनी फंड्स अवेलेबल करूना. वेदर द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर इज अवेअर दॅट दिस स्कीम वॉज मिसयुटिलाइज्ड ड्युरिंग द erstwhile गव्हर्नमेंट. द सेक्रेटरी अँड सरपंच used to make roles in the panchayat and say that these people are working, and it was actually they were never working, and some signatures were taken and money was paid and money was siphoned from the government treasury.
जेणे शाळेनूच वचूंक ना त्या मनशाच्या नांवा समोर इंग्रजीत जर सायन मारली जाल्यार भितर कितें तरी दुबाव आसा हें लक्षांत येता. पूण फुडें जावच्यो ना हाची हांव काळजी घेतां. हांव शिटकावणी दिता संबंदीत पंचायतींक.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
House of an old lady collapsed at Mapsa on Sunday. The house collapsed after a huge branch of a tree fell on the house. Local councillor claims that the tree was cut illegally. He also says that the act seems intentional. He has demanded a thorough inquiry.
Have a look at this house. It has collapsed as a huge branch of the mango tree came down on a house. Lakshmi Pednekar is a tenant and is residing in this house from the past many years. She is a lone member of the family. She has complained of harassment by the landlord.
50 वर्षाचा दिसता. आज आणि काल न्हू तेंच्यानी खूब त्रास दिला रे बाबा. थोडे दिन आनी म्हाजी लेक येना तितके त्रास भोगले ह्या घरान.
The situation has raised suspicions in the mind of people. First of all, an odd time to cut a tree. Secondly, no forest department's approval to cut it. Local councillor has demanded a thorough inquiry into the matter.
घराचे हितून भाटकारान तेंचे कितें डिस्प्यूट असले अशें आयकून येता. पण तेतूंतले तितून आयज कोणे तरी हांगा येवन झाड आंब्याचें एक झाड दिसता तें कापलें आनी तेच्या घराचेर उडयलां. आतां झाड कापपाक जे परमिशन लागता फॉरेस्टा कडेन तें हांवें चवकशी काडली प्रिलिमिनरी लेवलचेर जाल्यार परमिशन ना म्हणून. हितून खंय तरी इंटेन्शनली कोणे तरी ताका मिसगायड कटिंग मनशाक मिसगायड करून.
The workers who were cutting the tree were arrested. We spoke to one of the persons. He said he is not aware about the permission from the forest department.
त्यांच्याकडे सांगलेले बाबा आमकां आतां खांगा कातरूंक जाय. आमी म्हटलें कातरता पण आमच्या लक्षानूय ना बाबा तुमकां फटकरून विचारपाक.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatti.
Residents of Taligaon and Donapal have resolved to oppose the IT park at Taligaon in the existing scheme. Similarly, they have also opposed the upcoming project of Prudential in the area. Panchayat has decided to revoke the license given to this project. The Gram Sabha of the Taligaon Panchayat was held on Sunday. Various issues came to the fore and were discussed. Residents in the area have said a big no to the proposed IT park in the existing format in their area.
In regard with the IT project habitat that is coming up at the Donapal plateau, it is very clear from the minds of the people in Donapala and Taligaon that most of this land that has been given out is more an scam of real estate rather than for the IT habitat to come up. There are large chunks of land which have been given up, which is for residents, which is for service apartments, which is for malls. Only 1/3 of the land is going for actual IT. Therefore, I want to find out what is the kind of jobs that this 1/3 of the land is going to create for the people around. It is an absolute scam, and therefore the people of Talegaon and the people of Donapal do not want this IT habitat to come up in this format.
The residents are also opposing the Prudential project coming up in their area. The Panchayat has now decided to revoke the construction license.
Prudential ग्रुपाचे वयर जो प्रोजेक्ट आमाराल वाडो येता हाचे वयर आमकां जायती कंप्लेंट्स येयले आमच्या आमाराल वाड्याच्या भावाची आनी ते आमी कन्सिडर करून ते लायसन्स रिवोक करपाक केला. फाल्यां जेन्ना आमी पयले बसतले ऑफिसान तेन्ना आमी पयले बिझनस ट्रान्झॅक्ट करता तेन्ना ते लायसन्स रिवोक करून घेतले. कित्याक आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांक आमकां कसलेच त्रास जाले नाका. कित्याक सारी वर्सां आमी ह्या गांवांत रावन येयल्या आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांक कसलेच त्रास आमकां नाका.
Present among the villagers was a Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat, our video journalist Dinesh Karpe. Gram Sabhas were held in various panchayats on Sunday. Many issues were discussed and some were resolved. Here is the report.
The first Gram Sabha of the newly elected village panchayat of Dharmapur Silni was held on Sunday. The Gram Sabha passed accounts, decided on various proposals and discussed garbage issue in the village.
Accounts पयलींचो आनी दुसरे proposal न्यू तेम गायले ते आनी एक देलार म्हणटाणे थोडे पॉयंट हाडले कितें गार्बेज हे धर्मापूर येवपा आसा आनी हे पडे हे न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शना पडे कितें आहा तें टावन एंड प्लॅनिंगा वस्तू होणे तें पयलें पंचायत
The Chinchini Gram Sabha witnessed chaos as the citizens were at loggerheads as some citizens demanded sports complex at the site acquired 10 years ago for Chinchini Market Complex. Veli MLA Benjamin De Silva, who was present for the Gram Sabha, felt that major issues were unnecessarily dragged.
The last so many years, Magista Panchayat level development kind of na. आणि तुम चोयले आसतले आता एक इशूआचेर कितली क्वेश्चन.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.